Hi, beloveds. Welcome to our Reiki Distance Healing Clinic. And as you know, each month, the first and third Thursday, we send out healing energy to those who have requested it. But before we do that, we do some kind of a little reflection. So the theme for our reflection for this distance healing in April, I think it's April 1st, is about agreements. So a lot of us think of the four agreements from the Toltec tradition, how our agreements energetically, individually, and how our agreements energetically, collectively create and manifest the realities that are outside of us in our world. There's a scripture in the Christian text that says, confess to one another and pray for one another that you might be healed. But the interesting thing, and we automatically kind of go to the sect of Christianity where people do confession, but confess, actually the word means to agree. So agree with one another. Then, now, let me take it a little bit further. When do people heal and when don't they? How do people heal and what keeps them from healing? A lot of times has to do with what's going on inside, as well as whatever the condition is that they've been exposed to. So what do I mean by that? If you're working with those inner parts of yourself, if there's a part of you that really welcomes healing so that you might be able to do something, where another part might not welcome the same healing because it's actually there's a payoff in not being able to do that thing. That might be one example, but the key is, what are all parts of you saying about healing? So the invitation is to get all the parts of ourselves in energetic agreement with each other. So we're going to muse together on our Reiki Distance Healing call just about the agreements that we see that we've made with ourselves, so that we want to make with ourselves for healing, and that it might take us further and deeper into that process. Okay, namaste.